everyone, and welcome back to my channel. My name is Monica if you are new here, and today I'm going to be giving you all an updated tour of my home. I am going to show you how I added a few touches of green and a little bit of color here and there throughout my home after I had taken all my Christmas decor down. So after I had taken all my Christmas decor down, my house seemed really bare, and I didn't really want to add too many floral pieces because it wasn't really spring yet, or it's not really spring yet. And so I just decided to keep things really neutral, and I just added greenery here and there, and I tried to stick with a really neutral color. And I chose like creams and whites and some pale pinks by the front entryway. The clock that you see here is a clock that my husband made for me. I couldn't find one that I liked online or anywhere else, so he made it for me, which I thought was really sweet, and I think it turned out beautiful. Also, the candlesticks that you will see here in a second. These candlesticks right here, I had found those at the Goodwill, and they were black, and I painted them white, and I distressed them using an acetone based nail polish remover, and I think they turned out really pretty. So right here in my formal dining room, I had used twin size flat sheets for my panels that you see right here. They were only $4.96, I believe. They were just under $5 a piece. And I did the same thing in the living room, and I think they turned out beautifully and very inexpensive. And I'm going for a light and airy feel, so I wanted to use some whites. And right here I am showing you some beautiful plates that I had also found at the Goodwill, and I just placed a linen napkin between the saucer and the plate. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you all enjoyed it. And I know I didn't do too much talking and telling you where I purchased everything, which I normally do. I just kind of wanted you to enjoy the video. And if you guys do have any questions about anything in my home, I would be more than happy to answer. Just leave a comment down below. If you are not yet subscribed to my channel, I would love to have you. And if you enjoyed this video, please be sure to leave me a thumbs up. And I hope you all have a wonderful day. Bye.